All right, welcome back. American Immigration Questions and Answers. That's the book in my hand. Now, it's a book by Olu Asekun. And of course, it's a mind-expanding book that gets to the heart of the deepest aspirations of immigrants to legally visit, work, or live in the United States. Now, Olu Asekun is an experienced immigration attorney based in New York and has received over 20 renowned awards on immigration from immigration professionals around the world. And he's joining us this morning to talk about this timely book. Now, I looked through this book and I saw a lot of questions that you were answering, a lot of questions that people would have in their minds. But one of the things that you talked about, at the beginning of this book was the fact that there's so much ignorance with applicants, people applying for U.S. visas for various reasons. But tell us the main reason why you felt this book was needed at this time.
Yeah, thank you so much, and thank you for having me on the program. Part of the American dream, from my experience, is giving back to the community. I realized that as Nigerians, we can do better than we are doing currently. There are so many Nigerians coming abroad. They are giving a lot of misconceptions about Nigeria. Some people are better off living here in Nigeria rather than coming to the United States.
That's one of the things that you said
yes.
in the book. That
because it is better to live and have your freedom and be able to do things the way you want than to live in voluntary bondage abroad. I've seen all these things, and a lot of these problems emanate from ignorance. And that is why in giving back, I mean, even though I live in the United States, I was brought up in Nigeria, and there's no way I can give back only in the United States. So I thought about giving back even to Nigerians. So that is why I decided in my own way to educate people as much as possible.
Yeah. Now, talking about, you've broken down the book into different parts. The kinds of questions for non-immigrant visas, some for immigrant visas, some for even asylum seekers. So there are different, levels of, wanting to move.
Some for citizenship,
exactly.
Even some for permanent resident, green card holders. Because green card by itself does not give you license to do certain things. For example, if you are a green card holder and you commit a crime, you can still be deported. Even though you are a permanent resident, you can still be deported.
Wow.
So there are so many things going on that people don't understand. American criminal system is different from Nigerian system. About 80% of criminal cases in the United States are settled out of court. They are settled by plea bargain. People enter into plea bargain not knowing the immigration consequence of the bargaining they are going into. For example, somebody is arrested for theft. Maybe the criminal defense attorney, only purpose is to ensure that this person does not go to jail. And in